What's up, guys? It's Matt Kenny of Kenny Movie Reviews. It's been a while since I saw you guys. I apologize for that. I was on vacation, and then I got caught up with work at my job, so I wasn't able to do movie reviews. I wasn't really seeing movies and stuff. Like a lot of the new movies that come out really aren't that interesting to me. I might see Hitman's Bodyguard this week on like Monday or something, so I might do a review of that. I'll let you guys know firsthand though if I'm going to do that. But today I figured, since I've been doing like a lot of movie reviews and even like one TV show review, I decided that since the new Spider-Man animated TV show premiered on Disney XD today, and I was able to watch both episodes, I was thinking that I should review the series for you guys so you guys know if it's really good or if it's not as good, if it's like the Ultimate Spider-Man show, which really wasn't that great, but Drake Bell was fine as Peter Parker and Spider-Man, but the show itself really wasn't great. It was too dopey for me. But having said that, I do think that this new show, which is titled Marvel's Spider-Man, by the way, if you guys are going to try to find it, you got to watch like on demand or online. It's called Marvel's Spider-Man, and it's Disney XD. So you can probably watch it on their website too, on Disney XD. But yeah, so it pretty much premiered today with 2 episodes, both called Horizon High. They were just part 1 and 2. And overall, I really thought that this show was really good. It was much better than Ultimate Spider-Man. It was very much like Spider-Man Homecoming with the way that they portrayed Peter Parker. I actually really enjoyed it in terms of being like a show that I would watch like weekly or whenever like the new episodes. Like I will watch every episode of this show because it's actually really good. And I think it's because they knew that Homecoming was coming out, so they wanted to make it like Homecoming, so it was just as good. I mean, obviously it's a 20-minute show, so it's not going to be as fantastic as Homecoming, but in terms of a TV show, it's actually really, really good. So let's start this review off with the story. So the story of this episode was there were 2 villains, the Vulture and the Scorpion, and Spider-Man pretty much had to defeat them, and he had to deal with getting into a new school for geniuses and adapting to that, and also adapting to his new life as Spider-Man, which is exactly what Homecoming did, where he was adapting to things. So you saw that too in this show, and I like that a lot. So the plot was very good. The acting was actually really good. It wasn't as like childish as Ultimate Spider-Man. Like there were a lot of good like one-liners by Spider-Man that were actually funny. They weren't like cheesy. And I forgot the name of the guy who played Spider-Man, but he sounded exactly like Tom Holland in Spider-Man Homecoming. It was awesome. But I think everyone in the show is acting really well. Like they're not overdoing it, even though it's a kid's show. They're not like voicing the characters like over the top and stuff. Like the villains are very well voiced. Like they're not like being these macho villains. They're just being the villains that they are, and they know that, and they're having fun with it. They're not being over the top or cheesy, and I really appreciated that. So now the next part, since I just talked about how they were well done, the voice actors. The writing was actually well done too. It really reminded me of Spider-Man Homecoming when he was interacting with the villains, and even when he was interacting with like Harry Osborn and Aunt May. Like it truly reminded me of scenes from Spider-Man Homecoming, and I really appreciated that. I think that this show is pretty much Spider-Man Homecoming as a TV show, but obviously it's not because they're not. I mean, the Vulture was in this episode, in the first episode, but it's not like Spider-Man Homecoming like as a TV show. Like it kind of is because they're kind of telling the story the same way. So I will say it is like Spider-Man Homecoming as a TV show. I don't know why I just kind of tried to change my opinion on that. But overall, this TV show is actually really well done. The animation is really good. Like the characters are really drawn very well, and Spider-Man looks great too. For the first time in a few years, I could say Spider-Man looks great in a cartoon. And overall, I really enjoyed this series. I really think that this show is going to prove to people that Disney is good at making Spider-Man cartoons, and hopefully it gets away the image of Ultimate Spider-Man, which is a mediocre Spider-Man TV show in my opinion. So let me know in the comments if you guys liked the Spider-Man TV series on Disney XD, this new one called Marvel's Spider-Man. Watch the first 2 episodes, let me know what you guys think, and I'm excited to see where this TV show goes with the next few episodes. I'm excited to see what's going to happen and what villains he's going to encounter. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming up soon. Definitely. Thank you guys.